Hello everybody, I am Brandman19. We're playing some more Wildlife Park 2 today. So let's go on to our next mission. It is called the Endangered Island Paradise.
You are spending the holiday you deserve and need so badly on the islands of Galapagos in the Pacific Ocean. This group of islands became popular in the world through Charles Darwin, who made numerous interesting discoveries when he visited the islands in the year 1835. You have always been fascinated by these islands, with their undisturbed environment, almost completely uninhabited by humans, and the wonderfully unique animal species. While you were on one of your forays along the island coast, you noticed that the egg deposition of the giant tortoises and pelicans is endangered by monitor lizards. You find the tremendous number of lizards quite unusual. Try to react as quickly as possible before the lizards can do even more harm, and keep them away from the other animals so they can tend to their needs.
Alright, so it looks like we're going to be saving some baby pelicans or birds and tortoises. Let's see here. So let's check this out. It says achieve an animal satisfaction level of 96%, achieve a plant satisfaction level of 95%, and keep 5 turtles, keep 5 pelicans. Okay. Let me see, how am I gonna do this? Well, obviously the best way would be to put up some sturdy, strong walls. Alright, you know what? I bet you I could just do it. No, we'll need to kind of make a couple of different separate things for everybody. Let's do one down here. I'm going to do plexiglass. Run it right here. There's one enclosure. I'm going to run another one over here. Like so, and then I'm going to run another one like this. There we go. And we're going to try to keep these birds and stuff like that. We're going to try to keep them in here. What is this? It's a pelican egg. Okay. Just try to take everything that we can. That's a pelican egg too, right? I gotta be careful here. Okay, take these. Komodo dragon egg. Take it. Put it right over here. It's a turtle egg. This is another turtle egg. Komodo dragon egg. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hurry up and pause this one. Let's see, this is another turtle egg. I really don't like how there's so many different kinds here. Take him. Let's take this one. I kind of have to like move around pretty good to see stuff. We did move these 2 eggs in, right? Yeah, I think we did. All right. I can see baby pelicans already. Let's take some of these komodos over here. There's another one. Let's grab this one. Grab this pelican. And the main thing I'm doing here is I'm moving them around. I'm getting them in proper habitats. Let's see. What is this? It's a fern that does not like where it's at. Okay. Let me look around a little bit more. Oh, here's another Komodo. There's 3 of them. Don't see any birds or anything on the north side. Some plants that don't like their environment, but I can't do much to fix the plants so much. Anything over here? No. No, it looks like most of the animals and such are already in place. Yeah, I'm looking for yellow. That's the one thing. I think these shell banks are getting counted as like animals as well. Alright, looks good. Alright, so we need to make everything perfect for these guys. So the Komodos would like what kind of ground? 60 to 90. And we've got a lot of, let's see. Let's take this hard ground up at the front. Then we'll take some gravel, even though that's not what they usually stay on. And then stone. Like so. That'll fix them up. Like raw meat. Oh, I need to put in some right there. Right there. Right there. I might want to go ahead and round this off just a little bit. The reason why I'm doing this is so I can build the path, or I can get it so that the trainers or the animal keepers can come in. We'll put the guy right here. We'll put another one right here. Now then, we've got these guys going. They want to climb. They want to swim a bit. So that means I'm going to have to dig or lower in steps like that. Kind of do the entire back side. There we go. And then we'll put a little water pumping station right there. That should start working for him. And they want to climb. Let's see if I can find something for them to climb on. Oh, there we go. We'll just put this in. And then, of course, they said they wanted raw meat. And, oh yeah, I guess I should go ahead and put in the facilities to get these things running. Put him here. We'll definitely need a greenhouse. We'll definitely need fish. And we'll definitely need the poultry. Run raw meat. Go ahead and run water. So we can be pumping it. Looks good so far. Let's figure out what these tortoises need. They want to wallow around. So let's see. They need 0 to 30 is their hard ground. So I'm just going to put right down the edge here, right on the back side. Actually, let's do the entire thing as wallow ground. And then I'm pretty sure they're going to want to swim. Oh no, they're not. Let's see. All they want to do is just wallow all day. Well, I gave them the perfect environment. Let's put a little bit of grass just for kicks. All right. Let's see. They want fresh fruit is what they eat and forage. Well, first things first, we'll put the fresh fruit in. That looks like fruit to me. We'll put that up there. We'll turn this guy on for fruit. There we go. What is that? Genetic find. Okay. Cool, cool. What is this? More fish, please, and misses the fellows. Well, don't worry, more of you will pop up. Let's look at your ground. You take any kind of hardness of grounds. That's okay. Do they need to swim? What's their activity? Yeah, there is some swimming as their activity. Gonna do the entire back area through here, and then again I'm going to put one of these things in. Maybe we can connect it and have like a nice little area here. Anything else that you like to do? Fly, of course, and fish. So we need to make sure this is where they get their fish from. Right there. Turn on this guy back here for fish. Play it out, and let's go. Let them run. We have got animal satisfaction needs to go from 79 to 96, but things are working out right now. I don't like that these guys can fly. They're starving. These guys are starving. These guys like to eat fruit and wallow. The mud's back here. As a matter of fact, we'll turn more of this into wallow area and some grass right here in the middle just for the fun. The plants are going down a little bit here. We need to fix that. What is... Let's see. Giving you softer ground. And even he's like, I want softer ground. They need 10 to 40. Well, you know what? You're getting deleted. Let's go ahead and bulldoze it. Bulldoze you, you here, you over here, and you right here. Up, they can break out. We definitely don't want that to happen. We're probably going to need to do that again here because I have to get rid of this one. There we go. That fixes that up a little bit. The plants are now back over 95. Now we need to get animal satisfaction up to 96. Ground is too soft. It's that wallow ground, that's what it is. Put some put this kind of ground right here. What's wrong with him? He would like to eat fruit. Well, come eat the fruit. Let's take these guys and move them up here. They're in the back, so of course things are not working well. If you want fruit, that's where you're going to get it. Let's see, what's up with this plant? Softer ground, he needs 10 to 40. We're going to just kind of spot him in. Let's see, a little bit of peat. There you go. That should fix him up. Alright, these guys are swimming. I think the Komodos are done pretty well. We're at 95%, so we're probably missing it by just a few guys here. What's wrong with this guy? Too soft for you. Let's see if I can fix that up too. We'll do some more peat along the shore here. Let's see, it's now coming down to just this guy. He needs to eat. There you go. Him eating should push us over, I think. Alright, he's gone up a little bit. Does not like the weird hills. Let's see if we can help this guy out. And I do realize, I think the sound has gone down really far. There we go, fix some of these hills out. Just kind of smooth it out a little bit. Alright, that worked there. I think animals are 100, but now the plants are going down. So several plants are in ground that's too dry or something like that. I don't want to fix that, really. Here we go. Let's just bulldoze that. Well, this is one way to do it, I guess. Best way to fix the plants? Get rid of the plants. There we go. We're just completely eliminating all of the flora on the island. There's one right here that's gonna... Ooh, I got really close to him. I have to make it really, really, really small and hope. Oh, I got it still. There we go. That's fixed up. We're at 94%. There must be some plants sitting on the outside that I just don't see. Let's see if I can find anything out there. They're not on that island. Where are the plants that don't like it? Oh, one. There is one. Right here. Okay, now the plants have gone all the way down. What's wrong with you? Oh, you're just dry. Okay, well, I'll get rid of you too then. There we go. We're at 88%.
Well done. The tortoises and pelicans are now satisfied. However, suddenly a team of researchers appears and asks you under shock what you have done here. Good thing that they know your name, which is now respected around the world, and the good deeds you have done for the animal world. They tell you that the island used to be populated by land iguanas. Unfortunately, they are afraid this species will become extinct in the near future. The researchers would like to use new methods to try to breed back the land iguanas. To successfully breed back this species, the researchers must try to find suitable genetic material on the island. Would you like to help the researchers? Then search the island for genetic material that could be helpful for the researchers. As soon as you have found something, select it.
All right, well, it's right here.
Yes, that looks quite interesting. The researchers would like to take a closer look at that material. They ask you to show them where you now place the lab near where you found the genetic material.
There
The
we go.
researchers are thrilled over your discovery. They will analyze the material and hope that they can extract the required genes. As soon as the researchers have enough genes, the process of breeding back can begin. When you are ready, simply click on the research lab and open the research menu to start the research process. The researchers will be busy in their labs for quite a while, and they will present their results when they are finished.
Okay, so let's take a look here. The Saurian, which I guess we could see. Genes available 60, requires genes of 50. We'll go ahead and play him out and let him start going. Looks like he's moving pretty quickly, actually.
News! The researchers have asked you to come to the research lab. They introduce you to a little baby iguana, presenting the animal with pride. They would like you to release the baby iguana on the island. Since you were responsible for most of the luck they had the first time, they would like you to breed back 3 more land iguanas. When you have finished, satisfy the needs of the plants and animals in the iguana's environment.
Okay, so they gave me one of them, it looks like. I might need to get more of this genetic material, but I'm going to do another thing right here. Take it kind of right there. I'm probably going to go ahead and actually make this a little bit bigger. Let's get rid of this back side. We'll get rid of this side. We'll go ahead and extend it to here, there, to there. All right, that looks like it's plenty big enough. Let's see what's wrong with him. He says he needs forage for food and he would like some fruit. Same time, I also need to go ahead and build up where these guys are going in. There we go. He needs forage for food. He'd also like fruit. Need to go ahead and start up this guy over here for forage. There we go. Does he like any other thing? Just forage and... Okay, what's his hardness? 70 to 100. He needs a pretty hard ground set. We'll just go some gravel along that side. Let's do a little more. We'll do some stone after that. That looks fine. Says he's doing well. I don't know if there's... does he have like any activities? No, he doesn't have any activities. It's just like he just needs to be taken care of. Let's look at this one over here. Can we do another one? Oh yeah, we could definitely. We could do... The first one I think was a female. This one's going to be a male. So we can get these guys churning out on their own. Oh, he's finished. I think it's finished. Yeah, there he is. Okay. Take. Drop. And then let's go ahead and just make another female. It sounds so weird. Let's just make another female. Very odd. Alright, this is nearly done. Come on out. Come on. Come here, you. There you are. Take it. Put it right here. And I think that's it. Let's see what's wrong with them. They're saying they would like to eat fruit. Well, the fruit's here, so you're good. They're doing well. Take a look at our objectives. Need to have... Let's get rid of that. Keep 4 of them. Okay. Let's go ahead and get one more. Get a male. Just because. No problem getting them 2 females and 2 males, right? Come on. Come out and we'll fix it.
Congratulations! You have solved this species problem. Thanks to you, the Galapagos Islands will remain a natural paradise. Would you like to continue your holiday on the islands? Or are you ready for a new adventure?
Alright guys, well that ends this one right here. We did learn a little something new. We can research animals if we have the right DNA genes and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. We also got to take care of some Galapagos Islands. Well, I kind of just stripped the entire island of all plants and then put all the animals in enclosures. So maybe that works, I'm not sure. But alright guys, appreciate y'all so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.